On today's episode of Cars, Food, Weed, SVU, we must take the truck on the alleyway. God damn it. Cars, Food, Weed here. We got another 302. So, you know, sometimes you want to get a backup. Deal was just too good. We got this whole thing for $100. Yes indeedy. This is Cars, Food, Weed here. We forgot to put the camshaft in, so we're gonna do it now. Got our Summit Racing Performance F303 Plus. Really? You're gonna deep on me like that? That's bullshit. Is the one we need to reach now. Hits. Why is this recording? I didn't say do that. Get that out of the way. This is the cam. Might be able to see that. Probably not. It's Sum-8902, made in USA. This is how it looks after you blow all the goop off with brake cleaner. Pretty cool. Pretty exciting. Now we're gonna re-goop it with assembly lube. Where the hell did I put that? Here it is. Here it is. So, like the 100 other cam install videos on YouTube, you just kind of want to goop the hell out of it. I only gotta get my shit open. Goop the hell out of the cam bearings too. Don't be shy now. God, this is a stringy green goo. You know, just kind of rub it in there. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah, that's right. Goop me. Goop me. I think we might need some more. So give it a flip over. Yeah, we need more for sure. There's enough left to do the rod bearings later. Jesus. Oh yeah. perusal. Make sure it is everywhere and in your hair, maybe in your underwear. If you got one of these steering wheel pullers from Harbor Freight, it will have the bolt you need to use it as the handle. Just go ahead. Alright, insertion time. Go shoot. Come on, baby. You got it. You just want to go pretty slow. Sometimes it's hard to see where you're going. Whoop. Almost in. Oop, my glove got stuck. Yep. There it is. Cam. Make sure if your hands aren't this gooey when you're done, you probably didn't get enough lube on there. Or something you go want to check on here is that it doesn't go in too far. I had my machine shop replace all the core plugs on this block, and I guess they didn't tap in the rear one far enough. So we're gonna pull it off the stand and fix that. Oh yeah, here we go. I was gonna do this off camera, but I love this crunchy packaging so much. I wanted to share it with everyone on the channel. I think you all would like it too. Oh, they don't use this shit for much stuff anymore. This is Car's food weed. We're out here. Yeah, there's the extra engine we picked up. But anyway, we need to put the rest of the pistons into the bottom end and get this thing back in the car. So that's what we're gonna start doing. Let's go ahead and take the trash bag off. Oh, nice. Perfect. So, yeah, we got to put on 5 more pistons. Okay, we're putting together... Jesus. We're putting together the motor. We're going to put the piston in there, but first we got to reassemble it. Yeah, it's kind of hard to shoot video this because you need both hands at all times. So maybe we'll get the head mount out. All right, this is the fun part. It's putting the rings on the piston because it's easy. She's in the groove. that. Probably have to end up reclocking it again. Grab the other ring. Some of these rings will have a marking on it to tell you which side is the top. These rings don't, so they can go in anyway. Come on. Just fucking go in. So I fucking messed that one up. That should, oh, there it goes. Yeah, so you want to be careful about that. Luckily it didn't scratch that time, but anytime you catch a ring like that, you're going to run the chance of scratching the piston when you get it unstuck. Patience is key. It's another day. You just finished putting all the pistons in, so we're pretty happy with this. It's about to snow, so we're gonna hit up the grocery store, try to be prepared for the next day, so people lose their shit when they hear about snow in St. Louis. Yeah, the fun thing that happened was one of these fell off. This is just a piece of hose I used to protect the crank against the rod bolts. Fell into the motor in here, so I actually had to take the cam out because I was playing whack-a-mole trying to get the piece of hose out. So be careful, don't drop hose inside your engine. Everybody loves this on YouTube, so let's open the box. Oh shit, that's my fingies. Oh my god, I'm ruining it. Jesus. Everybody loves unboxings. Okay, so now I need to move boxing. What could it be? Wow. I'm gonna try it. It is a brand new Taurus fan. Hope this fits without having to cut the shroud. Fucking alternator bracket bullshit. Alright, the motherfucking alternator bracket is on. Holy shit. This is hard. Harder to put on than you would expect. Use red Loctite or it might fall off. And then you'll be wondering why your car is not charging. Then you gotta drive home really fast. Garage full of bullshit. All right, let's go. Where's the chain? Jesus. That's how you're supposed to do it. Maximum decapitation. Mother of fuck. Alright, we got some float. Just kind of need to... we need a little more float. Just a little more. Perfect. Should be able to just take this off now. It don't want to come now. She don't. Oh, she done. Get the whacker. Get the whacker. You get knocked. Here she comes. Come now. Nope. Just whack it all the way off. Jesus Christ, let's go. There it is. That's how you do that. Oh man, sorry guys. Camera ran out of battery when I was taking the old one out, but this is the new one going in. Come on, baby. That's a 1/1/16 socket. And that looks good. Old pivot stud. New pivot stud. Clunch fork. Why is it all in plastic? Clunch fork. Clunch fork. 9:18 on a Thursday. An impasse. Do I install the transmission and try to put this in all at once, or do I just drop the engine in? Oh God, I don't know what to do. I need help. I've never done this before. Sorry. Oh man, GoPro's about to run out of battery. Am I gonna do this off camera? Oh. car too far back. So, yeah, we need to pull the car up a little bit. Let's do that. Might need to level the load a little bit. Oh, meal time. Oh, scary. And it's piecing out fluid. Fuck it, it's gonna be a mess. We'll fix that later. So, closer. I think we gotta start lowering it. That or the max tilt. Camera off. The important note here, take the shifter off before you try to do this. She coming. Where are we hitting now? We're getting a lot closer. If your car is low, you might have to check underneath of it to get the hoist to clear the control arm. Once you do that, you can proceed. If you got big meat tires like I do, you might have to get under here to give your hoist a couple kicks. Helps with the fine alignment. There we go. Oh. It's almost in. Another pump. Oh, there we go.
Or we could port both of them.
Okay, that's fine. Let's do it. Distributor move around? I bet it did. Not even freaking held down by anything.
You brought the reins with you.
Yeah. Yeah, no fucking kidding.